Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling auto attack in Arise crossover. Go straight to controls and flip the auto attack toggle on. Make sure you have your primary weapon equipped and stamina above 20% so auto attack can sustain bursts. Once done, set target priority. Choose nearest for crowd clearing, lowest HP for fast finishes, or marked enemy to follow team focus. You want responsiveness now, so confirm bindings for focus lock and quick cancel. These let you interrupt auto attack when tactics change. You now tune how auto attack behaves in combat. First, set the attack interval between 0, 5 and 1, 2 seconds, faster for DPS, slower to conserve stamina and cooldowns. Then enable skill chaining so auto attack will weave designated abilities between basic strikes. Assign high-priority skills to slots the system recognizes. Once set, apply camera lock or direction bias to keep your character facing intended foes, because auto attack will otherwise snap to nearby targets and waste rotations. Test rapidly in a low-risk area to refine timing. You execute auto attack by entering combat and activating it. Watch stamina, procs, and buff windows so auto attack doesn't miss key hits. Once engaged, step in with manual skills or dodges when boss mechanics demand precise timing. Auto attack should handle baseline damage while you handle exceptions. To finish, disengage auto attack as you reposition or when your cooldown cycle ends and reclaim manual control. If it mistargets or stalls, toggle auto off, reset target priority.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.